Isn't this the coolest box? Yes. And the tissue paper. Oh my god. That's a shoe. That's a shoe. So, thank you for watching this unboxing video. Hope you subscribe and we see you in the next video. Yes? No, I'm just joking. Of course, I will show you the shoes. One shoe. And here is the second shoe. Ta-da! And here is a little bag. It's stuck to the shoe here. Guess I have to open it. This is so exciting! Aren't these like the coolest shoes you ever seen? So now I have freed this little bag. Let's see what's inside. And inside there is green shoelaces. So you can choose if you want to have green or beige. Oh look, they are green. Now I'll show you the shoes. Very, very nice shoes. So cute. Here's a leaf in this one. This is wood. And over here is the Puma. And on the inside, see, it says Animal Crossing. And it's pattern. Well, let's try them on. The inspector! What do you think? You like them, yes? Are they good shoes? You want to shoe them? No, it's not allowed in this house. I'd be very sad if you shoed on this. Good inspection. Thank you. So here are the shoes on. They are a bit squeaky because they are brand new. So of course I went the extra mile and changed the laces to the green one on this one, so you can see the difference. It makes big difference on the color of the laces. Let us know in the comments if you like the green or the beige one better. What do you think? I think this is good for if you have summer or very hot climate and not so much dirt outside, but it's fall now, and over here it gets very dirty, so I think I will put on the green on the other one too and wear them with the green laces. But first I will put this on and show you the difference. Here is the green shoe. The green laces. And the beige laces. Now I will go and make this one green too. I like them with the green. I think it matches very well with the back here. Kind of ties them together. And it makes it's a bit calmer here with the green. Green on green. And this is a little bit more color, but also looks a bit more grown up maybe. It's not as fun, but I like that they are green here on the ends. They are very cute. And this is the junior shoes, not the adult version, so they are a bit thinner here. That is the difference, I think. I have not seen the other ones, but I think that is the only difference. And that these come in smaller sizes, of course, and the other ones goes very, very large sizes. But I think this fits well for me. So this is what this looks like. And it's nothing on the back side, just so you know. So now they are both green. So now I'm wearing them both in green. Can you move out of the picture, please? This is what the green looks like. Thanks for watching. And I hope you will subscribe so you can see if we find any more Animal Crossing things to make a video on. And see all our DIY videos and the haul videos. Have a little bit of everything, and decoration videos, of course, that is what we like to do most. And the dog, and she will of course be in most of the videos, being a cute little dog. Are you tired with the camera? Yes. Why are you putting on shoes if we are not even going out? Oi. She wants to climb on. Yeah, I think she likes them. She likes to inspect them because I think this. She likes, you know, like a dog. She likes sticks, and these are in wood, real wood. So she likes to sniff them. So we're gonna sit here on my shoes. Yes. Bye bye. See you in the next video. I love you guys. Please subscribe.